no time to waste it. We have to enjoy it every single day because life is too short. I hope you guys doing well. And here I am with another video. I'm gonna show you how to make a special sandwich. It's going to be in a coco bread. Really popular here in New York City. If you've never been in New York City, you're seeing a delicious, great sandwich, great meal. And now I'm gonna have a cup of coffee. Mayonnaise, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese. Watch it, dejar a mis también. That's really good. So I just closed the door because it's getting really cold in here. So thank you guys for watching this amazing video. I'll see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you very, very soon.
100 likes! 100 likes please for Victor.
So I'm going to continue to enjoy the coffee. And also I want to say hi to my father, Eddie. Hello father, how are you? Okay mis amigos, next time.